Finding the courage to change, discovering the God of my understanding. All 12-step programs have as their foundation the premise that we each have access to God. But 12-step programs are not a religion. Each person is encouraged to discover the God of their understanding. My simple understanding of the first 3 steps is this: I have no power over others, and I have made a life that is a mess. I'm trying to manage the unmanageable. Something greater than me has the power to restore me to happiness and sanity. I am free to continue to struggle alone, or I can ask for help from this higher power. Am I willing to try something different? Well, what have I got to lose? My life is unmanageable. I'm like a hamster on a wheel, running frantically and getting nowhere. I make the same mistakes over and over and ask myself, why did I do that? I remember feeling connected to God as a small child, but as I grew, I allowed myself to be convinced that believing was ridiculous. I turned away from my inner knowing. I became lost. Finally, I found better teachers. I learned to trust my inner wisdom again. I am part of something bigger. I can feel my connection to Source, which cannot be broken. God never left me. I turned away. I can try to go it alone, but that's crazy. I have access to the power that creates worlds. I live in a kind and loving universe. I am connected to Source. My life is wonderful when I connect to my higher power.